Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about Piaget's cognitive development theory. So let us begin our theory with a short introduction to Jean Piaget. So this theory was given by Jean Piaget, and this theory was also called intellectual development theory. Piaget was a Swiss psychologist and he is also known as the father of child psychology. According to him, child is an active constructor, builder, little scientist and an explorer. He belongs to constructivism, and a teacher, according to him, facilitates teaching. Piaget theory tells us that child is born with a mental cognitive structure which develops and attains maximum growth around the age of 4 to 15 years of age. The stages given by Jean Piaget in cognitive development was given as you can see on the screen. So the first stage begins with the stage of sensory motor, where child works or deliver their information with the help of senses, and it is up to 2 years of age. Second one is pre-operational stage, 2 to 7 years. Third one is concrete operational stage, 7 to 11 years of age, and the last one is formal operational stage. And Piaget has told that child fully develops and attains maximum growth during this 4 to 15 years of age or during the age of formal operation. Piaget has given 4 elements of theory. These are biological maturation, active exploration, social experiences, and equilibrium that influence one's cognitive development. Let us talk one by one. So the first one is biological maturation. Biological maturation is the process of unfolding the biological changes that are genetically programmed and is therefore the most important factor to influence thinking. Parents and teachers have little impact on this aspect of cognitive development, except to be sure that children get the nourishment and care they need to be healthy. Moving towards second element, that is activity. It is accepted that there can be no knowledge development without relating objects within the environment. An individual acquires knowledge not by passively copying the objects in the environment, but by acting upon them. For example, when the child learns from the perceptual properties of objects by noting their weight, the color of the harness, it is a physical experience or first-hand information. Next one is social experiences. Piaget believed that cognitive development and social experiences eventually bring an end to egocentric speech. During their repeated disagreements with peers, the child understands that others' viewpoints may vary from their viewpoints. As a result, their egocentric speech declines and social speech develops. And the last one is equilibration. According to Piaget, the actual changes in thinking take place through the process of equilibration, the act of searching for a balance. Briefly, the process of equilibration works like this. If we apply a particular schema to an event or situation and the schema works, then equilibrium exists. If the schema does not produce a satisfying result or are inadequate for an understanding of the child's world, then disequilibrium exists. Now let us briefly see the Piaget stages of cognitive development and what happens during these 4 ages. First one is sensorimotor. The age range is 0 to 2 years. Coordination of senses with motor responses, sensory curiosity about the world, language used for demands, and categorizing object permanence is development. Second one is pre-operational, 2 to 7 years of age. Symbolic thinking, use of proper syntax and grammar to express concept. Imagination and intuition are strong. Third one is concrete operation, that comes in 7 to 11 years of age. Concept attached to concrete situation. Time, space, and quality are understood and can be applied, but not in an independent concept. And the last one is formal operational, 11 years and older. Theoretical, hypothetical, and counterfactual thinking, abstract logic and reasoning, strategy and planning, become possible. Concepts learned in one context can be applied to another. That's all for today. Thank you.